But let me tell you a quick story of Stalin, right? Because again, that pretty much gives you a better understanding of what is going on and why people still coming back. So Stalin wanted to make a little demonstration for his like inner circle to show pretty much how he can control his soldiers. Because again, think about it. They sitting in the office and shit, and the soldiers lying in the fucking dirt and shooting themselves or each other like in the face. Like how and why and how do they even do that? So they even showed like, okay, let me show you how we do that easily with our soldiers and how we can keep easily everyone in control. So he takes us in a circle, groups them outside like in his garden area, right? So then like everyone stands there like, okay, what's going on? So Stalin's okay, give me a second. He goes behind the house, goes in the cage area and grabs a chicken. Okay, so he grabs the chicken and takes it and goes over the house again, stands in front of his people, and like everyone's like, oh, okay, like, well, where's the chicken now? What's going on here? So, and then Stalin takes the chicken and say, now, fella people, watch closely what I do. So he takes the chicken and grabs it by the neck. Like everyone's immediately like, whoa, what the fuck is going on now? And he grabs it by the neck and starts to rip the feathers out of the chicken like a maniac. Like I was like, what the hell is he doing? Like, is this guy crazy? And he doesn't care. He just rips the feathers out, and the chicken obviously screams and wants to get away, but obviously can't because he holds it. And he just rips the feathers out like a maniac. And I was like, what the hell is going on? Like after like a few minutes of ripping out the poor chicken's feathers, whatever, he takes the chicken, sits it on the ground. What's the logical thing? The chicken runs away immediately, like obviously wants to escape. And everyone's like, what the hell just happened? Like that guy is crazy. He takes his hand, grabs it in his pocket, and takes out a handful of seeds. All right, so he takes the seeds and just pours it in front of his feet, and just whatever, pours it over. And the chicken from the little bit behind area, obviously still in pain, aching in pain, but sees the seeds he pours over. So what does the chicken do? The chicken just is still in pain though, but it sees the seeds and like, oh yeah, that's food, amazing. And then it runs back to him and just eats in all calmness in front of his feet. And then he just says to his people like, see, that's exactly how people come back the moment you show them like you're feeding them once again. You can hurt them so much before, but the moment you show them something instead that you actually feed them, they will keep coming back, right? So what the hell is that going with trading? So this is exactly what they're doing with these retail traders. They can mess them up so many times in a row, but then again, they show the seeds inside this trading or inside the charts again, and then, oh yeah, oh shit, I got stopped out here, but then the market still went into my direction afterwards. Oh no, it still worked. I mean, a loss happened. That's how they do it in the markets all the time. So think about it. How many times it really happened to yourself? How many times you hit a stop loss by only a few pips maybe, but you stopped out, you're out of trade, and then the market laughs at you and then shoots in the direction you actually had to trade in. And that's literally the chicken approach in here. You get stopped out, you're getting your feathers ripped out, but then of course the market goes in your direction and you're coming back because I think like, oh shit, yeah, better luck next time, right? And that happens to everyone. We just need to understand that that's not a good reason to come back then. Because again, if you keep coming back to the guy who rips your feathers out, like what's the point? It's better to, whatever, be a free chicken and find the real reasons behind everything. And then of course, be a free independent chicken and then whatever, see what's going on and don't fall into these traps.